Wait till you see what I have in this dog box. Oh, look at you in the big dog box. You ready to go hunting, baby? Yeah, you getting all trained. Look, you got carpet in there and everything. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Little blue tick coonhound puppies. So we're gonna have a big visit day today. Very exciting. Everybody's gonna get their little bands and the microchips, and families are gonna be visiting. Social distancing, masks will be on. Oh, look at this crew. That's just 5. We had 5 in the other side. We've already taken them out, but they're so cute. Look at these little guys. Remington's little blue tick babies. Hi, you little fatties. It's a pretty big box for all you guys. Oh, look at the ears. Oh, look at that handsome little baby. This is a little boy. Yeah, he's a little boy. Hi. Okay, we'll get you over. You guys gonna hang out with Teddy for a little bit? What are they complaining about, eh? You look pretty comfy in there, little boy. He's like, yeah, I'm ready to go hunting. You can take Squealio out. I'll just stay in here until we get to the hunting spot. Got a little complainer back here. What's going on back here? Okay, Brian's gonna start putting you in with Teddy. Okay. You're going in the big pen here with Teddy.
What's he squeaking about? Oh, he's a big daddy. And a big. How old are they?
Just over 4 weeks, 4.5 weeks.
Look at that guy.
Oh, look at these babies. They're so cute.
So, they're very serious.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Teddy's like all happy.
I'm just happy they're eating my old moldy food, so I don't have to. That'll give me fresh.
Hi. Hi, sweet babies. Yeah, it's comfy in there.
Won't go in there fine too. That's what he said. They just can't stand up.
Yeah.
But, you know, dogs don't stand up anyway when they're traveling. They lay down. They don't want them to lay down.
Oh, you're all excited, Teddy. I see you dug a hole in the corner, even though that was laying down there.
Cat.
Oh, the tiger cat's out too. Oh, we better. Somebody's been jumping in the water dish. We better get that cleaned out. And did you unplug the electric?
Yeah.
Oh, good, because I was leaning on it. It's like, I don't. That's so silly. Hey, Tiger, what you doing out there, mister? He's been full of beans today. He needs to have a good run around with Teddy. Teddy and the 12 little chubby bubby muffets here.
There's going to be an attack.
Teddy doesn't know what to do. He's got so many critters to play with. Okay, so I might just put bands on either the males or the females, and then know the difference.
That's funny. Tiger's not.
He's not.
He's
not in his own territory.
He used to put the beat down. Well, the first day I didn't hear it was funny. Man.
He's like he's got other things he's gonna check out now. He doesn't care what Teddy's doing. He's gonna check out his own stuff.
He wants him to go after him. Look at that. Teddy's so cute with him. He just pushes his head down on him when he gets him down. You getting the kitty? You gonna get the kitty? Right? Get the kitty. Get that kitty. Get the kitty. He says, I don't know. I got a bunch of stuff to get. Gotta guard my resources. Look at this. He's not biting him. He's just chasing him.
This is supposed to be about blue tick coonhound puppies.
Sorry.
These two are being silly.
Cat says, holy suffering, there's a bunch of little daddies.
So Teddy's a blue tick pocket beagle, and we have blue tick coonhounds. You guys are like matchy-matchy. Look at the size of the 4.5-week-old coonhounds beside Teddy.
The 6.5-month-old Teddy. I love watching that cat play with that dog. He's so comfortable in there too. Look at him, he's not worried. I'm gonna zip up and grab them ducks now, okay? For the people.